Hi! In front of me is tablet DELL Rugged 7220 Extreme, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by swiping up from the bottom right corner of your screen and clicking on Bluetooth over here. Then wait for available devices to show up, and when they do, tap on the one that you wish to connect to. Lastly, hit connect and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!